share, join me for a ride. Man, it's just wet. We got 3-4 inches of rain total. Let's check in on the big pond on our way over to one of my new other ponds. See how this thing's doing. If I didn't know any better, I don't hear the leak anymore. Good deer tracks. It might have self-corrected. It's still coming just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit down there. That's a bummer, man. That's just such a small little dribble right now. I thought this would be drained down much farther, but evidently not. Yeah, I gotta wait for this to dry out before I can do anything with it. All my dirt that I was gonna haul with the tractor, it's all underwater. All right, well, let's keep going on. Okay, we got some decent germination in here in one of my replants, and here you could see a lot of new stuff coming up here. Even the small seed from my first planting is starting to come up, but here's what I'm really after. This is the big cost share watering hole. Look at all this little brassicas coming up still. Yes. I was a little concerned about this one. If this was going to hold or not. And, well, I think we got our answer. Does look like it went down probably about a foot, which is normal. Yeah, I don't think this one has a leak. You can see this was all dry when I laid this down. It was just powder. This is a nice success right here. Beautiful. Very beautiful. All right, let's pull this camera and move on. Head up to the north end, check another watering hole that I dug. See if it's holding. show you this one. Oh, look at that bright green plot too over there. All right. I think another success. Again, this was just a real hasty one. 30-minute dig. But that's beautiful. That's beautiful. This is starting to germinate. This is one of my replants. If it stays warm enough, this is going to add probably another acre to that plot up there for that deer tower there. Cool. I'll take it. So this plot is coming on. It's a little late, but they're in here every day, every morning, every evening. But it's, for being a drought year, it's going to keep coming on. It's going to keep growing. That's why I put my cereal grains in here. This plot is doing very nice. Very nice. Alright, I'm gonna hike this one. This is pretty squishy, but it's getting greener. This area here is my replant, and the green stuff is the original planting. And I'm gonna go check on this watering hole. This was the long narrow one that was full the first day, and then empty 2 days later. Yeah, this stuff's starting to come up nice here. And I'm hoping it's going to be full today. It looks like I see where it blew right through the dam, which is fine as long as there's water in the bottom. I'm not seeing nothing here, so this one might be a bust. I mean, I picked the right spot, but it might just be a little too rocky. Yeah, you see it blew right through the dam there in the back. I mean, it wasn't really a dam. I don't know why this one don't want to hold. Must just be a little too porous. I mean, it's getting plenty of water, no doubt about that. Alright, let's go pull this camera. See what we got here. There's all kinds of, all my small seed that's just been laying there now for 2 months. So this could be a success yet. We got warm weather here in the next few days.